Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue second part of lesson number 11 in the orchard. Various types of plants grow in soil. Each plant has roots at one end. These roots go deep into the soil and support the plant by holding it firmly in the ground. Plants are very useful to us. All roots absorb water from soil. Roots of bushes and creepers are in the first layer of soil. They do not go very deep into the earth. But roots of tall trees go deep into the soil. Okay? Children, take out page number 89. Strange, freaky, weird root. What is the meaning of strange? Unusual or which is not normally seen. Okay? Here we are going to learn about strange or weird root. Okay? Children, have you ever swung on banyan tree? Tell me, any one of you. And what did you hold to swing? How do the hanging branches look like? Yes, it is the root of banyan tree. It is called prop or aerial roots. It grows from the branches and touches the ground. It is the root of banyan tree and it is called prop or aerial roots. Roots hold the ground and keep it upright. They take water and food from the soil. They also store food for the plant. Children, let's discuss about aerial or prop roots. Okay? Aerial roots are roots above the ground. Yes, aerial roots are roots above the ground. A type of root that grows from the stem above the ground. This type of root absorbs water directly from the air. Look at the picture carefully. What did the girl hold it to sing? The prop root of the banyan tree to sing. Tell me, children, how do the hanging branches look like? Yes, it looked like ropes tied to the tree. Listen to me carefully. The roots that grow out of the branches of a banyan tree are called its prop roots. These roots give special support to the branches of a banyan tree. One important question for you. What are prop roots? The roots that grow out of the branches of a banyan tree are called its prop roots. And these roots give special support to the branches of a banyan tree. Understood? Kabir Wat stated in the Bharuch is very big. Its prop roots are giving strength to the banyan tree like pillars now. Yes, I will give you some information about Kabir Wat. Listen to me carefully. Kabir Wat is a huge banyan tree growing on the banks of the Narmada river. It is located next to Karnali of Chanod in Bharuch district. You can see innumerable, lots of prop roots have grown out of its many branches. The tree is spread over a very large area. Its prop roots, which are thick like pillars, support this huge tree. The prop roots of this tree are spread over such a large area that it is difficult to find its main trunk. Why it is difficult to find its main trunk? Because the prop roots of this tree are spread over such a large area. It is as if many trunks are joined with each other. One has to cross the Narmada in a boat to reach Kabirwad and see it. There is a temple dedicated to Saint Kabir at this place. It is a place of tourist interest. I think many of you visited Kabirwad because it is a picnic spot. Have you seen aerial roots growing from the other trees like banyan tree? I have not seen any other tree which has roots growing from its branches. If you see, you can share with me. Okay, children? Children, look at this picture carefully. You can see prop roots here. Children, you should remember that banyan tree has the roots inside the soil like other trees. Children, let's do activity. Are you ready? Gather in a group of 3-4. It is not possible now, so you have to do it individually. Green gram, wheat, bajra, mustard, kidney bean or rajma and cotton. Children, you have to collect 1 or 2 seeds from the list. Okay? What you have to do? First, you have to soak some seeds the whole night in a bowl filled with water. Take cotton and wet it. Put the cotton on the mouth of the glass. Yes, look at the picture carefully. The pic is already given here. Tie it with rubber band or thread tightly. Take out soaked seeds from water and put it on the cotton. Take care that cotton will not dry. You have to observe the changes in the next 10 to 12 days. You can see sprouts coming out from the seed. Sprout is the most nutritious food to eat. Why? Because the sprouts contain fiber, proteins, minerals and vitamins. It is important for health. It increases the level of B12 and increase the level of protein and nutrients. You know, children, sprouts are considered as the best food to have a healthy growth. So, you should eat sprouts once in a week. Observe the changes in the next 10 to 12 days. Have you seen sprouts coming out from the seed? How are the germinated seeds are look on the 4th and 8th day, and you have to draw their pictures in your notebook. What's the meaning of germinated? Germinated means begin to grow. Coming to page number 90. Space is given for you. What you have to do? You have to observe and draw the picture of sprouts of day number 4 and day 8. Have you observed the changes in the soaked seeds? Compare them with dried seeds and write. Children, some questions are given here. Let's discuss. Question number 1. What would happen if the cotton got dried? What would happen? If the cotton wool had been left to dry, the seeds will not get water and the saplings will dry up and die. Sapling means young plant. If the cotton wool had been left to dry, the seeds will not get water, and what happens then? The saplings will dry and die. In which direction the root and the stem grow? Normally, root always grow in the downward direction and the stem always grow in which direction? Yes, stem always grow in the upward direction. Okay. Coming to page number 91. What is grown? Arifa and Dupali did the above activity. When asked, they saw the grown grass. What did they grow? They have different idea for the grown things. Arifa made this list. Let's see. Leaves, neem seed, bird, puppy, nails and fish. In Dupali's list we can see moon, tree, hare, watermelon, mosquito and crow. Children, think of yourself how many changes come with time in you also. Have you grown in any way? Tell me children, does your height increase? How tall are you in the last 1 year? Children, look at this picture carefully. World Environment Day. You know, World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th of June every year. The first World Environmental Day was celebrated on 5th June of 1973. Children, one message for you. Plant a tree and get oxygen for free. Okay? Children, you should read the textbook properly and try to write the answers in your own. Don't forget to do the activities given in your textbook. Have a nice day. Take care.